Okay, so let's have another set, which is the intended learning outcome of the same lesson, lesson Roman numeral number 2. So identify different methods of finding the area of oblique triangles, Heron's formula, and the formula 1/2 times AB sine of angle C. Illustrate the application of these formulas in solving real-life and mathematical problems involving oblique triangles. Differentiate when to use Heron's formula and when to use the sine rule for area depending on the given information. Solve the area of the triangles using both methods with accuracy. Appreciate the usefulness of trigonometry in geometry, engineering, and real-life contexts. For example, in land surveying, in construction, and in navigation. So review of triangle areas. For right triangles, we usually apply area is equals to 1/2 times the base times the height. But for oblique triangles, acute or obtuse, non-right triangles, we cannot directly use base times height. So we need special formulas. Formula 1. A is equals to 1/2 AB sine C. This formula comes from trigonometry and is useful when two sides and the included angle are known. So consider triangle ABC with sides ABC opposite to angles ABC. And then if we take sides A and B as our base, and the height expressed through trigonometry would be H is equals to B times sine C. So substituting into the standard formula, 1/2 is equals to A times H. So we have 1/2 times AB times sine of angle C. Example, in a triangle, A is equals to 12, B is equal to 10, and the included angle C is 60 degrees. So, to get the area is equals to 1/2 times 12, which is side A, times 10, which is side B, times sine of angle C. Our angle C is 60. That's why we have sine 60. And the final answer is 51.96 units squared. So this formula can also be written as A is equals to BC sine angle A, and that is also equal to 1/2 CA sine angle B, depending on which sides and angles are given. Formula number 2, Heron's formula. This is useful when all three sides of the triangle are known. Let the sides A, B, and C. Compute the semi-perimeter. So S is equals to A plus B plus C all over 2. Then the area is equal to A is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Example, a triangle has sides A is 8, side B is 7, side C is 5. So the S semi-perimeter is 8 plus 7 plus 5 all over 2, which is equal to 10. And then to get the area is equals to 10 times 10 minus 8 times 10 minus 7 times 10 minus 5. The final answer is 17.32 square units or unit square. Comparison and usage. Use 1/2 AB sine C if you are given two sides and the included angle. The side, angle side case. Letter B. Use Heron's formula if you are given all three sides. S, S, S case. Side, side, side case. So both formulas are powerful tools since they eliminate the need to find height directly. Real-life applications in land surveying. Computing land area when boundary lengths and angles are given. In engineering or construction, finding areas of triangular supports or spaces where perpendicular heights are difficult to measure. Navigation, solving problems involving triangular paths, example, in flight paths or ship courses. Practice problems for our Quarter 3 Measurement and Geometry lesson Roman numeral number 2, finding the area of oblique triangles using Heron's formula and the sine rule. Number 1, find the area of the triangle with sides A is equals to B, 12, B is equals to 15, and the included angle C equal to 40 degrees. So we're given side A 12, side B 15, angle C 40, and required area of the triangle. So we are given two sides and the included angle C. So we are going to use the formula A is equals to 1/2 AB sine of angle C. And then substitute the values of the sides A and B and the angle C. So the answer is 57.85. And then our final answer is 57.85 units squared. Practice problem number 2. A triangle has sides B 20, C 18, and included angle A equal to 75 degrees. Find its area. So we are given here the two sides and the included angle. The two sides are side B is equal to 20, side C is equal to 18, and of course the included side is angle A, 75 degrees. We are required to determine the area A. So our solution, angle A is an included angle between B and C. So the formula that we're going to use is A is equals to 1/2 side B times side C multiplied by side angle A. Substitute the given data and our answer is 173.87. So, the final answer is A is approximately 173.87 87 units squared. And then practice problem number 3. Calculate the area of a triangle where side A is 8, side C is 10, and angle B is 60 degrees. So we're given side A, 8, side C, 10, angle B, 60. So we are required to determine the area A. So our solution, angle B is between sides A and C. So we are going to use A is equals to 1/2 AC sine B. Substituting all the given data, our final answer is 34.64 units squared. Practice problem number 4. Determine the area of a triangle with sides A equal to 25, side B equal to 30, and included angle C is equal to 45 degrees. So we're given side A, 25, side B, 30, angle C, 45 degrees. We are required to determine the area A. So our solution, use A is equals to 1/2 side A times side B times sine of angle C. Substituting all the given data, our final answer is 265.16 units squared. Number 5. A triangular garden has sides C 14, side B 9, and an included angle of 120 degrees. Find its area. So we are given side B 9, side C 14, included angle, which is angle B, is 150 degrees. So required the area A. So our solution, A is equals to 1/2 times side B times side C times the sine of the included angle, which is angle A, and substitute all the given data. Our final answer is 54.56 units squared. Number 6, a triangle has two sides, side A 11, side C 13, with an included angle of 85, which is angle B. Find the area. So we're given A is 11, side C is 13, included angle 85. We are required to determine the area A. So the solution, A is equals to 1/2 times side A times side C times the sine of the included angle, which is angle B. Substituting all the given data, our final answer is 71.23 units squared. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 3, MG, Lesson 2.